key to load your favorite sites oh so easily. Client sends a request, server sends it back with get, post, and more keeps us on track. From your browser to the server, data flows. HTTP's the magic that everyone knows. Just like a book, you ask for a page and it's there, take a look. Post is just for sending when you've got more to share, like filling out forms, it's sent over there. Status codes tell you how things are going. 200 means okay, the page is showing. 404 not found, try another way. 500 means the server had a bad day. It's stateless, no memory of what's been done, but cookies and sessions, they help it run. Secure with HTTPS, the S stands for safe, encrypting your data, keeping it in place. Headers carry info, they're like little notes, telling servers what to do with details that float. Content type, cache control, and more, help manage requests, that's for sure. So now you know HTTP's the code that drives the web, the information road. Next time you surf, you'll see it's true. HTTP is working just for you.